Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 7th, 2018, and I'm here with one of the peony patches. And we have an issue sometimes with our peonies getting powdery mildew really bad. And I've been trying an experiment now for I forget how many years of putting cinnamon around the soil. Fungus hates cinnamon, so it helps to repel the powdery mildew away. So I have my bottle here, and I like these to be shorter when I put it around most of the time, but I can't do that this time because they're growing so much. So I'm going to just shake some around here. So I'm just shaking it around the soil surface. And I do have another bottle because this one's getting kind of low. And it would help if I turn it the right way. There we go, that's better. And it's not a guaranteed thing, but it does help a lot more than with nothing around them. And these are growing so quickly. We've had a whole bunch of rain, and then with the sun shining and stuff, I don't know if you can see the cinnamon down there. So I normally apply this when they're a lot smaller, but it won't hurt them. And this should help ward off powdery mildew. It seems to really work, so here's hoping it works another year for us again. And another thing that I wanted to talk to you about is why ants and like wasps crawl on your peonies. And the reason is the peony flowers need the wasps, and they need the ants to crawl across them to help open the flowers up. So that's why ants crawl on the peony buds when they get larger, because the peony flower needs them to open the flowers up. And we had already where like the ants weren't on them and the flowers didn't seem to open. So they kind of help each other out. Now, ants crawling on your other plants, that's bad because they could be bringing aphids. But when they're crawling on the peony flowers, it's okay. And if you have your peonies planted and they're not blooming, one of the reasons could be is they're really young, the roots are really young, or they could be planted too deep. Peonies are fussy on the depth for planting them. And I believe if you transplant them, it can take them 3 years to bloom again. Now, that's not always true. Sometimes it will apply and sometimes it won't. It just depends. So I just wanted to throw that in there for you. And when these start blooming, I'll come back with another video and I'll show you what they look like. Peonies are pretty, I think, carefree. I really don't have to do much of anything with them. I do put the cinnamon down because of the powdery mildew to help prevent it, but other than that, they seem to be pretty tough. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.